Welcome to the ultimate guide for creating a unicorn-themed birthday party that will leave everyone spellbound. Hey there, party planners today. We're diving deep into the enchanting realm of unicorn birthday decorations. Whether you're planning for your little one's special day or just love all things unicorn, this video is packed with ideas to make your celebration unforgettable. What are the essential elements of a unicorn-themed birthday party? A unicorn-themed party thrives on a palette of pastel colors. Think pinks, purples, blues, and gold accents. Key elements include unicorn horn headbands, glittery decorations, rainbow-colored balloons, and themed tableware. Incorporate unicorn images in banners, invitations, and cake toppers to tie everything together. Don't forget a magical backdrop for photos and a unicorn-inspired cake as the centerpiece. Adding fairy lights can enhance the whimsical atmosphere. How can I create a unicorn-themed backdrop at home? Creating a unicorn backdrop is easier than you think. Use pastel-colored streamers or fabric as the base. Add a large unicorn cutout or a balloon arch in rainbow colors. Incorporate elements like clouds, stars, and glitter to enhance the magical feel. You can also use a happy birthday banner with unicorn motifs. For a DIY touch, craft paper flowers in coordinating colors to frame the backdrop. Loving these ideas? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more magical party inspirations. What are some creative table decoration ideas for a unicorn party? Start with a pastel tablecloth and add unicorn-themed plates, cups, and napkins. Use glittery confetti or sequins as table scatter. Place a unicorn centerpiece like a plush toy or a decorated unicorn horn in the middle. Incorporate themed name cards or labels for food items. Add small vases with pastel flowers or rainbow lollipops for an extra touch. How can I make unicorn-themed party favors? Fill small bags or boxes with unicorn stickers, mini toys, and candies in pastel colors. Decorate the packaging with unicorn images or glittery ribbons. Consider including DIY unicorn horn headbands or bracelets. Personalize thank you notes with a unicorn design add a special touch. Planning a magical unicorn bash? Tell us what colors or themes you're using below. some unicorn-themed food and drink ideas? Serve rainbow-colored fruit skewers, cupcakes with unicorn toppers, and cookies shaped like unicorns. Create a unicorn punch with layered colorful juices or a milkshake with pastel sprinkles. Use edible glitter to add sparkle to treats. A unicorn-shaped cake or a rainbow-layered cake makes a stunning centerpiece. How can I incorporate games into a unicorn birthday party? Organize a pin the horn on the unicorn game or a unicorn piñata filled with candies. Set up a crafting station where kids can make their own unicorn horns or decorate cupcakes. A unicorn-themed scavenger hunt adds excitement. Love unicorn party themes? Drop your favorite decoration idea in the comments. What are some budget-friendly decoration ideas? Use DIY decorations like paper unicorn cutouts, homemade banners, and handcrafted centerpieces. Balloons in pastel colors can be arranged in creative ways without breaking the bank. Repurpose items like mason jars as vases or utensil holders. Printable decorations available online can save costs. How can I make a unicorn cake at home? Bake a simple round cake and decorate it with pastel-colored frosting. Use a unicorn cake topper or create a horn using fondant. Add edible glitter and rainbow sprinkles for a magical touch. Which unicorn decor item is a must-have? Comment your top pick. We'd love to know. What are some ideas for unicorn-themed invitations? Design invitations with pastel colors, unicorn images, and glitter accents. Include phrases like, "Join us for a magical celebration." Use digital invitation platforms for easy distribution. Add RSVP details and any special instructions for guests. can I dress up my child for a unicorn party? Choose a pastel-colored dress or outfit with unicorn prints. Add accessories like a unicorn horn headband, glittery shoes, and a wand. Face painting with unicorn designs can enhance the look. Ensure the outfit is comfortable for play and activities. Have unicorn party tips to share? Leave your ideas in the comments and inspire others. And there you have it, a treasure trove of unicorn-themed birthday decoration ideas to make your celebration truly magical. Remember, it's not just about the decorations. It's about creating an experience that brings smiles, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Every little detail, from the glittering cake to the whimsical games, adds to the magic your child will live forever. So, go ahead, embrace the colors, the sparkles, and the fun. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a busy parent looking for quick wins, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for spending this time with us. If you loved this magical ride through unicorn party planning, don't keep it to yourself. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite unicorn party idea or one you'd love to try. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on creative, fun-filled content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you even more enchanting ideas for every special occasion. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the magic alive.